So I'm getting ready to replace the third brake light assembly on my 2012 Ford Expedition. So the factory one has a bunch of individual bulbs and they're all burnt out. It's kind of old, so I bought an LED one on Amazon, and I'll put a link to it in the description of the video if you guys want to buy the same one. Come over here, Cody, and we'll see what this one looks like. It wasn't that much money. I think it was like 25, 26 bucks. That's a whole brand new assembly. It's all LED lights, so these things will probably last the truck at this point. So it comes with this, and then there's a new nozzle that it comes with for the window squirter, and it has a new gasket. These gaskets go bad after a while on these brake lights, and they leak. So that works. And it looks like there's a couple little tiny gaskets for the screws. There's a screw on each side right here. So we're gonna put this in, and I'll show you how to replace yours. All right, there are two Phillips screws on the side of the lens. Just gonna take these out. The lens should pop right out. So the lens is a little tab right here. So you're gonna push in on the tab and pull the factory harness out. And here's the connection for the windshield washer fluid. All right, so I'm going to use like a little trim piece tool to help pry this hose off. There we go. There's a little barb on it. That's what holds it in place. I'm going to take the old gasket off since you got a brand new gasket. This gasket's all punky. Trucks get old, so that's what happens after a while. All right, so this has the adhesive side on it, so we're going to clean up the area right here. I'm just gonna hit it with a little bit of cleaner. It's not too bad. I'll wipe the whole area up. Great. Don't want to lose that. So, luckily, you just kind of fell down in there. There's a sticky part on this gasket, and it sticks to the back of the assembly right here, the back of the third brake light assembly. So this is brand new. I thought it stuck to the truck, but it doesn't. And I kind of line everything up. Kind of stick it on. It's not rocket science. You can't really mess it up. All right. So I'm going to take off the protective film. And here's our nozzle for the windshield wiper hose. So you take your little gasket and you push it onto the windshield washer squirter assembly, I guess you can call it, a little nozzle here. And it's gonna poke through this hole. There you go. It's in place. Give it a little tug, make sure it's secure. Then you're gonna take your windshield wiper hose, reconnect it to here. Press it back in, give it a little tug, make sure it's not gonna fall off. And take your factory harness and connect it to your new brake light assembly. You can hear a click, give it a little tug, make sure it's okay. And you're gonna kind of sneak this back in place. Let me get the screws. There's a couple little gaskets right here that go on the screws. They don't give you new screws, but you don't really need them. All right, I'm gonna put those little gaskets on my screws that came in the package. So you're gonna push them down to the head of the screw. There's one. And here is the other one. All right, now I've got to get these caught. And I'm using a gun bite. You don't want to torque these down because you'll crack the lens. So I'm going to go really slow, and I'm just going to kiss the lens. So you should use a screwdriver. Okay. It's good. All right, let's hit the brakes. Work, Cody?
Yep.
Everything work?
Yep.
That's how you replace the third brake light assembly on your Ford Expedition. This should cover quite a few years. This is a 2012. Like I said, I'll put the third brake light assembly in the description of the video. You can click on it, shoot over to Amazon, and it's actually not bad. That should last a while. It's all LED, and no more bulbs to mess out, no to burn out on you, really. It should last forever. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care.